For this video, we are going to cover use Pythagoras Theorem to check if the following triangles have a right angle or not. It states here, in a right angle triangle, the square of the hypotenuse, which is the longest side, is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. Let's come up with a square plus b square is equal to c square, wherein a and b stands for the two shorter sides of the triangle, and c stands for the longest side or the hypotenuse of the triangle. Let's find out if we can make a right angled triangle with the given side lengths. Letter A, the given side lengths are 3 cm, 4 cm, and 5 cm. First, we need to identify the longest side of the triangle, which is the 5 cm, and that will represent your letter C. And the other two sides will be letter B for the 4 cm and letter A for the 3 cm. Let's use the formula. A square plus B square is equal to C square. Next, let's substitute. So A is equal to 3 square plus B is equal to 4, then square is equal to C, which is 5, and then square. Let's solve. 3 square is 3 times 3, that is 9, plus 4 square is 4 times 4, and that is 16, is equal to 5 square, which is 5 times 5, and that's equal to 25. Let's add 9 plus 16, give us 25, is equal to 25. Now, since the sum of the squares of the other two sides is equal to the square of the hypotenuse, so this is a right angle triangle. Letter B, the given side lengths are 5 cm, 13 cm, and 11 cm. First, let's name the letter C, and that is the highest or the longest side, and that is 13 cm. And the 5, let's name it as A, and the 11 cm will be B. Let's use the formula. A square plus B square is equal to C square. Now let's substitute. A is 5 square plus B is 11 square is equal to C is 13 square. Let's solve. 5 square is 5 times 5, that is 25, plus 11 square is 11 times 11 is 121, is equal to 13 square, or 13 times 13, that's equal to 169. Then let's add 25 plus 121, that's equal to 146, is not equal to 169. So it only means that it is not a right angled triangle. Comment your questions and suggest for any more topic for our next video.